Oh, hi there, and welcome to another episode of Timmy Time. As you can see, I've got a bit of a mess behind me here. We're actually sending a ballot buyer box home probably the end of this month. But it'll take 4 months to get out there. So this is all the stuff we need for the house. Some more electrics, a few bits and pieces like that. Gifts for the family. We've managed to fill it, or overfill it. But we've got one more to send out later. But this is just a catch up on a vlog on the house, what I'm doing around the house. I'm putting out a cancer vlog tomorrow sometime, or maybe even Saturday. But this is just an update on the house. We've been doing some more work around the house. A grey plinth flying around the house. You can see that's had 2 or 3 coats now. And also we're doing the actual post itself for the outside the front of the house. They've all had the brickwork on them, and we're actually seeing that now with like a sealant. It protects and seals the actual post, and it makes it look actually like brand new. It's so shiny and clear. It's lovely. That's being done at the moment. Obviously the flowers are all in full bloom, so there's a vlog there with the flowers there as well, showing all the plant life there. Back garden as well. Quite a lot of footage from back garden where it shows you we're going to start putting some more vegetables in the garden, because obviously with the COVID situation in the Philippines at the moment, we're on total lockdown. So we're going to start growing some more vegetables. It's the land just sitting there for now. We're not going to use it. But as you see on the right hand side of a side lanai, you see a great big dip. It's about a 6-7 foot dip, and we're going to build a concrete storage room there, and that can be used obviously for storage when we eventually have a supermarket or mini market come, sort of like a food stall there, and also for the electrics for later on, if and when we decide to have some sort of swimming pool. And we are looking at a small pool, more like a splash pool than a swimming pool. But it's going to be a nice place to cool down, and we can put bamboo shields around that and make it all nice and enclosed, and make it private, because I think these sort of things should be private for when you're outside relaxing, enjoying your garden. But yeah, enjoy the vlog, guys. And we are also looking as well in hindsight about pushing the garden back completely. It's 200 square meters in width, and we're going to push it back by total 100 square meters. We're going to ask for some more land. It shouldn't cost too much, but it gives us a bit more space, and we are looking eventually at having a chicken farm there. We can use the eggs for our own bake in the house and cooking, and what's ever left over we can always sell in the shop. And also if we're going to breed the chickens as well for livestock, we won't be slaughtering the chickens. It'll be sold to market as chickens, and then they can do with them whatever they want to. But yeah, it's for big white chickens with plenty of meat on them, and we can do that as a part of the business as well. It'll be good to have a little bit of income coming in. So there's lots of plans there for the future. There's still a lot to do around the house at the moment, like the tiling to do inside. Got to finish the bedrooms off, tile the bedrooms. The outside front lanai, or side lanai, front balcony and the back balcony. They need to be tiled as well, but all in good time. There's no rush. There's plenty of work going on, plenty of work to do. And I'll keep you updated on whatever's happening. So enjoy the vlog, guys. There's a lot of updates on there, and we'll catch you later. Okay, all right, take care. Bye-bye. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that vlog from Timmy Time. Just want to say to you guys, thanks for watching the vlog, and don't forget, it's still not safe out there. Don't forget, it's hands, yep, face, space. Okay guys, listen, just stay safe out there guys, it's not all over yet, so please stay safe and abide by the rules and save IHS, because one day they're going to save you. Take care guys, enjoy the vlog, bye bye.